Welcome to the ultimate guide on how to make $10,000 per month on YouTube without ever showing your face. Today we're diving into 12 niche ideas that can turn your channel into a cash machine. Let's crunch some numbers. From channels like Digital Engine to Cash Pro, we'll explore how these faceless channels are pulling in big bucks. Imagine earning $10,000 a month just from ad revenue alone. But that's not all. We'll also uncover the power of affiliate deals, sponsorships, and selling courses to skyrocket your income. But why these 12 niche ideas? Because they're proven to work. Each idea taps into a money-making market with either high search volume or high CPM. Whether you're into teaching your skills or following your passion, there's a niche for you. And with the right strategy, consistency, and creativity, you could be on your way to financial freedom, making at least $10,000 a month or even more just by sharing content you love. So, if you're ready to turn your passion into profit and join the ranks of successful faceless YouTubers, stick around as we uncover the top 12 niche ideas right now. Niche Idea 1. Ever wondered how some YouTube channels hit it big with just a handful of videos? Take Digital Engine, for example. They've got only 16 videos, but over 400,000 subscribers. They're diving into the AI news craze, hooking viewers with thrilling topics like dangerous AI and conscious robots. With snappy editing and a good voiceover, they reel in 1.2 million views monthly. So, if you start a similar channel and hustle out, say, 30 to 60 videos, hitting a million views per month isn't far-fetched. Let's calculate. If you can earn $10 for every 1,000 views, then a million views is $10,000 a month. Plus, add affiliate deals for extra cash. Niche Idea 2. Before You Go, a YouTube channel helping travelers navigate smarter. With just 40,000 subscribers, they're raking in 1 million monthly views. How? Ad revenue. Assuming $10 per 1,000 views, they're earning $10,000 monthly. Despite no uploads for 4 months, their videos keep drawing viewers. Their secret? Consistency. With 800 videos in 2 years, they're proving that old videos can still bring in cash. Plus, longer videos attract more advertisers, making more money. You can start your own travel guide channel too, using free tools and stock clips. Niche Idea 3. Bestie Health, a channel with over 3,000 videos and 4 million subscribers. They cover topics like bedtime drinks. Not all videos get tons of views, but together they've racked up 600 million views. Crunch the numbers. If every 1,000 views is $10, then 600 million views is equivalent to earning around $6 million from ads alone. Plus, they make extra cash as affiliates, promoting health products. And you could do it too. Just find products online like on ClickBank or Digistore24 and link them in your video descriptions. With simple slideshows and stock footage, you're good to go. Niche Idea 4. The alox.com channel. This channel focuses on luxury topics like expensive watches and planes. With 4 million subscribers and 2,000 videos, they rake in 2 million views monthly. Assuming a $5 CPM with their niche, that's over $10,000 monthly from ad revenue alone. Plus, they sell courses like goal setting and freelance skills priced at a few hundred each. Selling just 1 or 2 courses daily at $250 to $500 could fetch $500 to $11,000 per day. Courses are a passive income source, just like ad revenue. So, creating valuable courses related to your channel can significantly boost your revenue. Niche Idea 5. So, there's this cool channel called Top 10 Zone. They make videos like 50 hiking gear essentials and have a bunch of videos. They get around 500,000 views a month. If they make $10 for every every 1,000 views, they could make $10,000 a month. But here's how they really make money. Sponsorships. They mention products in their videos and put links in their description. They also use affiliate links. For example, if you buy something they recommend, they get a little cash. With all these methods combined, they could easily make over $20,000 a month. Niche idea 6. Ever heard of Rebound Football? It's a channel that's smashing it on the YouTube algorithm. They dodge copyright issues by focusing on the players' stories, spiced up with stock footage. Even with a low $3 CPM for every 1,000 views, they get nearly 6 million views a month, earning $18,000 monthly in ad revenue alone. Despite only 45 videos, they snagged 100,000 subscribers and a silver play button. So don't just dump sports clips online. Quality storytelling matters. Learn from them, and you could be waving that silver play button too. Niche idea 7. There's this awesome channel called Debtbusters USA. With cool AI tools, they dish out awesome videos like top 10 free AI video generators, racking up 200,000 views in 11 months. And instead of relying on ads, they earn $10,000 monthly as affiliates for the software they review. Sweet deal, right? Plus, they're using AI to supercharge their content creation. Niche idea 8. Imagine starting your own meditation channel. It's all about calming your mind and finding peace. You don't need fancy videos, just soothing audio like the Great Meditation Channel. Use tools like Tube Magic or ChatGPT to create meditation scripts. Add some relaxing music from Storyblocks. With 1 million subscribers and 4 million monthly views, you can earn $10,000 a month. You can even sell your own meditations or be an affiliate for other products. Niche idea 9. Ever heard of Explore With Us? They've got nearly 5 million subscribers and about 500 videos. What's crazy? They rake in a whopping 27 million views per month. They're all about true crime, riding that trend wave. Interrogation videos are their jam, and it's paying off big time. Most hits uploaded in the last 2 years. How do they cash in? Ad revenue, mainly. Merch sales chip in, but let's be real, ads are where it's at. So, if you're into mysteries and true crime, you could turn your passion into some serious cash. Niche idea 10. Philosophies for life. This channel simplifies philosophical concepts through engaging whiteboard animations. Take Marcus Aurelius and Stoicism, for instance, with 6.3 million views. Creating such content may seem daunting, but tools like VideoScribe make it easy. You could even monetize by offering courses on these topics. Plus, ad revenue from millions of views adds up. Focus on popular philosophers like Marcus Aurelius and Seneca to maximize views and revenue. Niche idea 11. Ever heard of Paddy Galloway? Paddy shares success stories like how an unknown YouTuber hit 1 million subscribers in just 6 months using whiteboard animations. Despite no recent uploads, the channel still racks up 130,000 views monthly. How's the revenue? By promoting a course on YouTube Success, you could earn $10,000 monthly with just 20 sales, thanks to generous 50% commissions. Niche idea 12. You've stumbled upon the last niche idea, also known as Cash Pro. This channel is all about making money online. With 180,000 subscribers and 90 videos, they rake in nearly 1 million views monthly by sharing legit ways to earn online. Crunching the numbers, their CPMs or earnings per 1,000 views could be $30 or more. That means solely from ad revenue, they could be pocketing $15,000 to $25,000 per month. But wait, there's more. In the money-making niche, you can also sell courses or be an affiliate. And with the right strategies, you can earn up to $10,000 monthly, even without showing your face. Remember these 5 key takeaways. First, focus on high-demand niches with either high search volume or high CPM rates. Second, Second, consistency is key. Keep uploading content regularly to maintain viewer engagement. Third, explore multiple revenue streams such as ad revenue, affiliate deals, sponsorships, and selling courses to maximize your earnings potential. Fourth, quality content and storytelling can set you apart from the competition and attract a loyal audience. And finally, always be adaptable and willing to evolve your content and strategies to stay ahead in the ever-changing landscape of YouTube. Start your journey towards financial freedom by selecting a niche that resonates with you and take action today to kickstart your own YouTube channel. Don't wait any longer. Your future success awaits. I'll see you in the next video.